In this video, I am going to show you how to remove green screen background on Capcut. Open Capcut, and here you need to add a background for your green screen video. After that, click on this overlay icon here, you can see. Now you need to add a green screen video. Now click on Add button. Now increase the timeline of your video background. Now tap on green screen video. Now click on Removes Background. Now click on Chroma key and select green color. Now increase intensity. Now here you can see green screen is removed. In this way, you can remove your green screen background on Capcut.